Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to use TikTok Analytics. It's simple. First of all, you just log in your account into the TikTok app and you need to convert your account into the pro account or business account. So how you can convert that? Simply open the profile. Here you can press on the menu bar. Simply go in settings and privacy. Press on manage accounts and switch your account to the business or pro account. Just wait for a while and simply press on next and select the category whatever you want. Again press on next. Alright, it's converted. Simply go in menu bar again, press in settings and privacy. Here you can see the option of analytics. Just wait for a while, it's loading. Turn on. Now you're able to use TikTok Analytics. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.